I'm Ryan Fields. I'm co-owner and brewer here at Wildfields Brewhouse. From this area, but I got my chops down in San Diego, learned how to brew down there, and really just wanted to bring my passion up to the Central Coast. And Jackie and I really wanted to raise our kids up here. We love the area and just really thought that Atascadero was a great place for a brew pub like this. We're really about having something for everyone. I mean, we have the full restaurant, we have arcade, we have a wide range of beer. And on the beer side, we really just want to have a wide variety of traditional styles. We really like the classics and the basics, and we like to have a bunch of malty beers on. We like to have some light pilsners and lagers on. We like to have our West Coast IPAs. Always like to have a sour. So just really a little something for everyone.
Jacque Fields, Wildfields Brewhouse here in Atascadero. I am co-founder and president, jack of all trades. Atascadero is just a really great, wonderful community, and we felt that it really had the same sense of feeling we wanted Wildfields to give. And so becoming a part of this community and planting our roots here and raising our kids here, it was really important to pick a community that spoke to us the way we wanted our business to speak to them. And I think you really see that in how we've crafted this space. We even made our slogan, Crafted for A-Town.
I mean, we love Atascadero, I think, just the Central Coast in general because of the focus on nature and just family and community. And it's just a fun area. I think Atascadero has grown a lot, and there's a lot of cool things happening in downtown and just in general, a lot of development. And I think it is staying true to its roots and just being a really great family-oriented town.
The Chamber of Commerce was so huge for us, especially coming into this community and while we were building our business. It's just a really special community of business owners and business people who are passionate about us all being successful together. And I think that's what Ryan and I genuinely want. It's what the beer industry means to us. And the Chamber is just another layer of that we're building in our community together.